main strand of Denham. Wow, the colour of that water. There's my Gilligan's Island shot. There's the channel. Water's so clear. This is the anchor of the Gudrun, which had to beach itself just north of Denham in 1901. So apparently a disgruntled carpenter on board drilled holes in the ship. And they eventually had to beach it, but the strong winds destroyed it. So it looks like people came here in 1880s. It used to be called Freshwater Camp, later called Denham. It was the only settlement in the world paved with pearl shell. And that's a massive fish cleaning table idea. Little swimming area. I might come down here later. This is a sculpture made in 2015. There's something sort of similar in Broome, or at least reminds me of the one in Broome. Have a look at the Discovery Centre. There's another HMAS Sydney memorial. It's got the names of all the crew. Gee, all those names. So the wreck of the Sydney lies 112 nautical miles west of Steep Point. So for many years they didn't know where it was. Purling cutter, the Velshida. Let's head into the information centre. Sydney. I just saw an amazing 3D movie on the Sydney and KOMORAN. Oh, sun. The old perler, made up of Hamlin cockle shells. So this is a restaurant. Yeah, have a look at all the little shells. Oh, wow. Denham Seaside Caravan Park. So this is my unpowered site at the Seaside Caravan Park in Denham. It's windy, hopefully that won't be too bad, but wow, the sun sets over there. morning from Denham. How's this for a view to wake up to? Yeah, these unpowered sites are right at the front. Unreal. It's a nice little camp kitchen too, just blocks out the breeze. Not the birds though. That's what I've been hearing in the bush. This one's called Little Lagoon. You can swim in this one. This must be the little creek that runs into the lagoon. Some people fishing up there, crystal clear. This is Eagle Bluff. I reckon you can see animals down there. Look out. Flies. Yeah, I've got one of those fly things for the face. I wonder if I was ever going to need it. Well, that's well worth the detour to Eagle Bluff. Well, that's been an awesome stay here in Denham. Who knows, I may be back. Probably just going to pop into Monkey Mire to see if that's worth having a look at. Well, staying. See how we go. Just arriving at Monkey Mia Dolphin Resort. Payment ahead. So you must have to pay in this little doohickey here. Right, so I think I've missed the last of the dolphin feeding, but I came here anyways. So I think that must be where they do the feeding. Yep, that is where they do the feeding. Oh, shells. There's the caravan park. There's the pool, Monkey Mia. One of the cafes, there's a pool through there. What an incredible place. Yeah, I'm so glad I had the drone for here. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Don't forget to put the thumbs up if you like that and subscribe. And see you on the next one. Thank you.